Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and in this video I will show you how to add a new course on Duolingo. So first, what you want to do, you want to tap here, and then here you'll see course, and then here see what would you like to learn. So I'm gonna pick math, for example. It doesn't necessarily have to be a language. And then I can just pick, and now it's gonna give you a lesson. So after the lesson you'll be able to find math here and then switch to it, and basically that is it. That is it for this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next video.